BMC, what are you even doing, man? What? Chalo, the bad roads are at least making people wear helmets. The dust. If not anything else, at least vanity. Vanity has finally made it. Bad roads are good, guys. They're just blamed for the wrong reason.
दाग अच्छे हैं.
Man, it's boiling hot. Wearing a corduroy shirt underneath a riding jacket is a bad idea. It's the worst ever combination, dude. Like, the riding gear is already very thick to begin with, and you've got the ventilation to compensate the thickness, but the corduroy shirt underneath defeats the purpose of the ventilation. So you have your thick shirt and thick jacket.
थोड़ी देर के अंदर गेम बच गया.
जहाँ मैं पुढे
झूठी.
मैं पे अनुराग.
The next day.
अभी बिल्ड किया था. See, that is why I tell you guys to subscribe to my channel. Also, special shout out to BMC for these beautiful roads, and I've also talked with BMC and asked them to even break all of these roads that I've built very recently, so that we get even more content. But what they've told me is this will only happen if you have enough numbers in terms of subscribers. Show some numbers, guys. That is exactly why, so that I can show BMC the numbers and they can allow me to have broken roads on these roads.
I have a pen. I have pineapple.
Stop way.
And then eventually we can have broken roads, because this is not done, right? The Ramesh Pakya challenges are gone forever. Unless they break something like this in between is only where we'll get to have fun. I don't know what kya reason. Did they forget a pipe or something inside? Numbers ही होता है सब कुछ भाई. The more you subscribe to the channel, the more numbers I can show the BMC, and the more seriously they can take me. And that is only when they will be convinced to break these roads and get me my beloved Ramesh Pakyan Charan. So you see what I mean by what I meant in my last video.
The following day.
अरे भाई क्या, you've decided to make roads and then dig them up. ये क्या चेस का गेम खेल रहे भाई? जान दे देंगे इसके लिए. I mean, it's not even funny anymore, dude. I mean, they dug up the center of the road, they filled it quickly, and now they're dug up right in the lane.
Day 3.
Oh wow. So they've dug up this side as well now. This is the third digging process. Now why do they even build this road, dude? See, the first time they dug up over here, they built the road completely, then they dug it up. Then the next they did here. Yesterday I saw this, and now today there's another big patch that they've dug up. ये चलते ही रहने वाला है, I guess. मतलब I genuinely don't get it, man. And as I said, it's not even funny anymore, dude. Like, what are you guys even doing? Pipe भूल गए अंदर, या कोई बंदा रह गया नीचे?
I am under the water.
Seriously, dude, like, it's such a sorry state of affairs, man. BMC, what are you even doing, man? What, like, genuinely, what are you even up to?
क्या हो गया तुम्हें?
And how do you even get approvals for such tenders, man? Like, you build the road, then you get another tender to dig it up and then build it again. And it's not like it's cheap, dude. It's concrete. I mean, relatively it will be cheap than tar, but even then, building a road is not cheap.
अगर ये रोड एक साल तक टिक गया ना, तो हमारे पास अगले साल कोई काम नहीं बचेगा.
And the worst part, it's coming from our money. So I'm gonna stop behaving like a vigilante. Just focus on my own life. Fuck this. This is all gonna keep happening, so the outrage is pointless.
अरे कौन
You're an absolute top grade idiot.
कौन है ये लोग?
People just collectively decided they'll jump the signal. Too much today it's a little too crowded today. I don't know for what reason. What the heck? Who's dead? Why are so many kites here? Kites in the sky, soaring together. क्या है भाई, क्या सीन है काइट्स का? Ooh, god damn, that's a black Ioniq and it's beautiful. And that was a Civic, but she was driving really hard. Damn, that's a different. God damn it, what is happening today? It's a beautiful car fest.
अरे भिकमंगिया, क्या देख रहा है?
Now I get to ogle at it with all my, what do you say? God damn, dude. Holy moly. Look at the personality of that car, dude. It's a behemoth.
कर शपथ, अग्निपथ, बकचोदी मत कर लो.
Damn. The GLS. क्या चल क्या रहा है भाई? Oh damn, and you know
ये ड्रगी है.
I'm kidding, but that's a new one, high cross. Innova high cross. These are very rare, huh? Innova is booming right now. Well done, my guy.
अबे बेटा मौज कर दे.
Well done. Oh, it's not a guy.
Enemy spotted. Double kill. Triple kill. Round 2. Killing spree. Dominating. Unstoppable. Mega kill.
अबे भाई क्या कर रहे हो यार? Scared the fuck out of me, dude. और अलग ही random pillar पे रिंगा रोजेस क्यों खेल रहा है भाई? Going around and coming from nowhere. अबे भाई क्या कर रहे हो यार? Oh, that is why that motherfucker did not have his helmet on. That's why he had to take that emergency U-turn. Idiot.
जियान है आप.
What's your name? Nice to meet you. That's a very nice bike. It's very crowded, man. What is that?
Obstruction ahead.
Eyes on the road, buddy. घर जाके फुटेज देख लेना बस. बट रास्ते पे ध्यान दे.
सर, ये तो टट्टी है.
अरे हाल भाई. Needed a little motivation, I guess.
Bonus.
Dhoom 2 style pillion riding. Aishwarya Rai and Hrithik Roshan. It's super cute though.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million. likes. So please, Sarapakarai. Yes, yes.